கலகல் செம்மணிக்கு வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் விஜே ஸ்வாதி கிருஷ்ணன். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட ஆக்ட்ரஸ் பியா பாஜ்பாய் இணைய போகிறாங்க. ஸோ நிறைய இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான விஷயங்கள் நம்ம பேசி தெரிஞ்சுக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ பியா அப்படிங்கும்போது கண்டிப்பாக நிறைய பேத்துக்கு டக்குன்னு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய படங்கள் ஞாபகம் வரும். அது வந்து கண்டிப்பாக திரைப்படம் நிச்சயமாக அவங்க பண்ணதுலேயே மாசான ஃபிலிம் சரோ அப்படிங்கிற கேரக்டர் வந்து பயங்கரமாக பதிவாச்சு. ஸோ அவங்க இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட அந்த ஃபன்னியான பர்சன் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட நிறைய விஷயங்கள் லைவ்ல பேச போகிறாங்க. ஸோ உங்களோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஏதாச்சுன்னா மறக்காமல் நீங்கள் கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் கேட்கலாம். எல்லா ஜென்யூனான கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுவாங்க. அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி அவங்களுக்கு வந்து தமிழ் தெரியாது. ஸோ அவங்க வந்து அந்த கொஞ்சம் தமிழில் அவங்க இங்கிலீஷில் நம்மள்ட்ட பேசுவாங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு தேவையான கொஷின்ஸ் இல்லை நீங்கள் உங்களோட எவ்வளோ ஃப்ரீ ஃபேன் அப்படிங்கிறத மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட்டில் பதிவு பண்ணுங்க. பை த வே ஒன்ஸ் அகேன் திஸ் இஸ் மீ விஜே ஸ்வாதி கிருஷ்ணன்.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. ஸோ உங்கள் தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு ஹாய் சொல்லிடுங்க. Please wave your hands to Tamil audience over here.
Hi.
Okay. Is Tamil manageable or it's difficult for you to speak?
I really don't know. We'll see how, like, when we will take our interview ahead, we'll see.
Yeah, sure. So how are you? How is the quarantine days are going?
It's going good, actually. I mean, now it looks like a normal life. So,
Okay.
like, this is a life right now. So you don't have any other option apart from
I'm so
go
happy to
through
see you.
your whole. Really? Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
because I love you in the movie Co. The character, no, it is like awesome. Everybody in Tamil Nadu loves you like anything. We actually miss you on screens a lot.
I
So what
know,
I
even
think
I mean, even I miss my Tamil films and my Tamil audience. Even I miss that.
yeah. So how are you? How are your quarantine routine? What are you doing to kill your time during this quarantine days? What are you doing?
I tell you frankly, I mean, I don't need to kill my time at all because I love my, that me time, and I have so
Okay.
many things to do at my place. I mean, so many things. Sometimes I think, so many things to do, but such a less time. So I keep
Okay.
reading. I follow my diet. I love cooking. I love to stay at home.
Okay.
I love
Wow,
working
that's
out.
great.
I do so many things. I do so many things. And then they are like, you are on phone, keep surfing the net and keep talking to people, the video calls. And I mean, when the day pass, I mean, it's like, I don't know when the day pass. So it's all fine.
You look cute as always. Yeah, I must tell you, you look damn cute as always. And I wish
I'm
you called
blushing.
like Saro because every time when I see you, I remember the character called Saro, the naughty,
Hmm.
funny character. It is you, right? So what is
No,
it? It's a
no.
project.
See, I tell you something. I'm not totally sorrow. I mean, it is me until a certain
Yeah.
point, but then I'm not that loose kind sorrow. So I'm like not so funny also. Like what you saw in Co, that was the character I played. So I'm like
Yeah.
I'm like you, like everyone else. Like we have all kind of moods, right? We have
Yes. Obviously.
all kind of up and down and everything. Nobody is funny
Yes.
all the time. Yeah.
And you have done movies in all different four languages: Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, and right. How do you manage, ma'am? Because handling four languages without even knowing Tamil, you have done so much Tamil movies. You have more Tamil audience. You have. So how do you language on set?
My
Please share about the
okay,
experiences.
I'll tell you something. For this managing thing which you're asking, I will give the credit to my directors and all the ADs on set because I don't manage
Wow.
anything. They manage me.
Okay.
I mean, the poor guys, they will sit with me and, they will help me to learn the lines and all. Because for lip sync, of course, I have to learn the lines.
Yeah.
And then if I'm doing a bilingual film, then, for that, I have learned the prompting because I cannot learn
Wow.
lines in two different language. So when you're doing the
Yeah.
prompting also, there is a one assistant, right? He has to take
Yes.
care of the prompting. So, I
Yeah.
mean, the whole complete credit goes to all the ADs. I mean, I'm just doing my job, but they are the big support all the time. So when you get
Wow.
these kind of ADs, these kind of directors, you give me any language, I can do it.
And we can just have a quick recap of Tamil movies, okay? Because we have more of
Hmm.
Tamil audience. So quick recap of
Yes,
Tamil
yes.
movies.
Yeah.
The one most loved movie is Goa. Your character was awesome. Iduvare song, everything was really good, right? So please do share about the experiences working with Jai, Venkat Prabhu sir, and Premji on sets because they're the most funniest creature, I guess, Premji. So how was it during sets and all?
It was like a long 1 month holiday for me. And
Okay.
most of the part we shot in Langkawi. It was some more than 30 days schedule in Langkawi. And when I was shooting for Goa, I used to think, I mean, I was to pray, what if the time stops right now? What if I don't need to go back to India? What if this film is alive? This is what I used to think because it was such a beautiful setup. And like the Goa, we almost like shot at the beach.
Yeah.
So when we were shooting after 5 o'clock or something, there is no sunlight, nothing. You can't shoot. So I remember the one side we are shooting and we are all getting ready for pack up and all, and the other side, 2 or 3 people, they're just getting ready for the party. They're doing the whole setup for the night party, which we're
Who
gonna have
itself is
after
the
pack up.
party.
It's like
Yeah.
everyday routine. So like to some other place nearby, or they will set up the whole sitting arrangement and everything. Why? Because the pack up is going to happen. Everyone is coming and gonna enjoy here. So this was like we did for a month. And I was not
Wow.
missing anything. I was not missing my house. I was not missing Bombay. I was not missing anything. I was like, can time right now stop and I can just be here in Langkawi playing this Goan girl? So it was a
Wow.
beautiful experience. Venkat Prabhu, he has a great team with him.
And yeah, when we talk about like Jai, he told that he likes you a lot. He thoroughly enjoyed the character of in Goa. Many interviews they have mentioned it and talked about Jai.
Jay and me are like Tom and Jerry actually. We keep fighting, but when we were shooting for the film Goa,
Okay.
so with me and Jay, it was like all the time, that song Iduvari, when we were shooting for the song, you see that me and Jay are not talking. And that was the actual, we were not talking. We just
Yes.
thought of something and we were not talking. So Venkat Prabhu came and said, listen, please be like this only. We keep fighting because I want that in this song that you guys not talking.
Oh,
So,
that's so
and,
sweet. Do you
and,
know any of
Iduvari, I mean, I'm so blessed and all that, Iduvari worked such a big time. It became
Yes,
like song of the year and everybody loved that song. And
even now.
and even now, yes, and unfortunately, I mean, I was not able to even know the correct meaning of Iduvari. So I enjoyed the music, whatever I can. But yes, it's a blessed to have a hit song, Kitty.
So about Ko, because he was really doing very good now, and your character, that Saro character had some what to say, that meaning, the charishma, everything it had. Saro is a lifetime character. I loved it like anything. All of my friends were like, I'm going on live with Pia. Everybody were like, ask Saro, how is Saro? Tell Saro that I love her. Everybody was like that. So, how did you accept this Ko film? Because you had two characters, two heroines in a film, right? So how did you
Yeah.
accept, and what made you choose that film?
Okay, so when I got a call for Saro, I had no idea what I'm getting into.
Okay.
I didn't take the narration before going on set, not at all. I had no idea what my character is doing in the film. I called AL Vijay and I called one or two more person who I think are my well-wisher. I asked them, this is the call I'm getting from this production house. KB Anand is the director. Should I go or not? Because I have no idea what is my role and all. So Vijay sir told me, Pia, I don't know anything what you're doing in the film, but I want you to go and do that film. So I said, okay,
Oh,
done. So I just said, okay, fine, I'm doing this. And I went on set and I have no idea. But only thing I got to know, they told me it's the mind-blowing character and I just trusted them.
yes.
So,
Okay.
I mean, I got to know about the character when I was shooting my first day on co-set. And it was
Concept.
such a
Okay.
weird experience because I got ready with my for my shot with all my curly hair and nice fresh makeup and stuff. And I went on set and KV sir was like, no, 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 please wash your face, wash your face. I said, why? No, we don't want this makeup. I was like, okay, maybe that, and you know that I don't apply much makeup. I use only very little. I thought, okay, maybe there is something else. They don't want this much also. So I just went and washed my face. And then after some time, our makeup man, he came with a face pack, with the Multani Mitti face pack. He said,
Yeah, the
please use
same.
it. I said, use this? Like, what do you mean? I said, this looks green and little blackish or something. He said, yes,
Yeah.
you have to use this face mask. I said, okay, fine. So I used that mask and all, and I called AL Vijay. I said, they're
That
gonna
was very.
destroy. That was my first shot. And
Oh God.
I called AL Vijay sir and I said, these guys, they're gonna destroy my career because they're going to shoot me like this with the mask on and I'm looking like a ghost here. I was like so worried, so worried. And then we shot this first scene, like first shot ever.
Okay.
And
The
it was
funny
like
shoot.
the funny shoot. Everyone was so tensed because, I mean, because we never met. There is no narration. There's nothing directly. I went on set and shooting for this shot, and they were like, I don't know, Pia can pull off this like so smoothly or not, because in Saro it's all about the spontaneity, and
Yes.
spontaneity is very tough when you don't know the language.
Yeah.
But then, I'm very talented, so I pull off.
That's so sweet of you. And yes, we have few rapid fire questions for you. Okay? The
Okay,
same
cool. Yes.
spontaneity should be there.
Yeah.
What is the best piece of advice you ever got, and who gave you that advice? What is it?
Okay, it's the best piece of advice I got when I was shooting for Egan from Ajit sir. He told me, be the way you are, never ever change. Whether
Yes.
you get success in life or you get defeat in life, whatever, just be the way you are. Don't let the people change you. This is what I always keep with myself.
Wow. So few words about Ajit sir.
Ajit sir is like wonderful human being, very intelligent and well mannered, and he like take care of everyone on set. So
Wow.
he was like my source of motivation on Aiden set.
Superb. So what is the very first thing you're going to do after this lockdown?
I think I'm going for some travel or something. I'm literally craving
Travel.
for to go somewhere. Yes.
What is the most favorite spot? Like if you like travel, what is your most favorite spot?
It's like I don't think most favorite, but there are some people where I want to go. I love Kerala. I literally love Kerala,
Kerala.
and yep, the greenery, the water. I really love that place. And then I love Jaisalmer also. I mean, I love those kind of Jaisalmer and Jodhpur, Udaipur, and all. And then the same time, I really like New York. I mean, I have been there and I love that place. So these are the places I'm looking forward to travel. I mean, it's in my wish list as
Super.
of now.
Wow. So the next rapid fire question is, what is the unforgettable childhood memory?
How I left my house and came to Bombay, and how I was crying on road. These I was like not exactly for Bombay when I left my house for to go to Gwalior where I had my computer course and all. So I came. I mean, I was going to the this bus stop with my dad, and like on whole road I was crying. And it's a small city. Everyone knows everyone. Everyone is relative there. And they were asking my dad, why is she crying? I was like, no, I'm going, leaving my family. That was such a like show I put off on the road. Yes.
Okay, one of your fan have asked about Poi Solapuro movie. RJ Vicky, I guess. Like he's asking about Poi Solapuro movie and the experiences about it. So
So
it's a fan question.
Poisullapuram also happened. Like all the things with me, they they just happen. There is no a proper process. It happens
Okay.
just it's suddenly in a weird way it happens with me. So Poisullapuram happened like I got a call. I mean, I shot a commercial ad with Priyadarshan sir, and he was shooting like he was looking for people to this Poisullapuram. So on set he told me that I'm looking for a girl who can speak Tamil and all. And
Hmm.
I said okay fine. He said okay fine, we'll call you. I said cool.
Oh,
And then they called me and they told me, come the way you are, no makeup, nothing, just wear some normal, very normal t-shirt, jeans, and come. I said, okay, fine. I went there and I saw so many girls out there with full makeup and the short dresses and like looking like typical, like glamorous doll. And there I'm like, why did I come? So the person who called me there, I said, listen, you called me like this, but look how the girls are here. He said, "Oh, don't worry, just be there. We'll take your audition." So I went for the audition. I told AL Vijay sir, I said, listen, this production manager of yours called me like this. Now, if you really think I
okay.
should take audition, then I will give audition. Otherwise, forget because I don't want to waste your time. And I don't like if somebody wastes mine also. He said, no, no, please give audition. And then I gave audition in Hindi and English mix. And this
Okay.
happened. So, and within 7 weeks, after 7 days, I was in Chennai shooting for Poisullapuram, first ever shot in my life. Before that, Priyadarshan sir called me and he said, can you speak Tamil? And it's a
Hmm.
Priyadarshan sir, it's a UTV film, first film in my life. I don't want to get into this Tamil or Hindi debate, right? I said, I just thought for a second. I said, yes, I can. He said, how come you can speak
Okay.
Tamil? You are a girl from UP. And I'm just looking at him. I was like, because one of my relative got married in Chennai, so I
Okay.
learned Tamil. He said, really?
So you lied.
And then I came on set, and the first day, Vijay sir gave me a very, like, 1 or 2 line dialogue. And I
Okay.
got so scared. I got very scared. I was like, oh God, why did I say yes for this? This is, I don't know what language is this, how to speak, what to do. So the second day, I called Priyan sir and I literally cried on phone. I said, I can't do this. I don't know how to speak. And he's like, this call came little late. I was waiting for your call the first day only. I said, he said, what happened to your relative who got married in Chennai? Why don't you call him? And I said,
Oh
no.
my
Then I said,
God.
no. I said, no, I wanted to do this film. He said, I knew it, Tia. Now better you do this and take your assistant help or whatever. Oh God, it was weird. But I did it. So this is how the post Lapora happened for me.
You had a great time, yeah? But somehow you
No,
managed so many Tamil films, yeah.
now we are talking, so you can say that, we are laughing and all, had a great time. But when you're shooting for a film and so much, everything is on a stake, it was like, oh God. So the day I'm not
Yeah.
having a dialogue, I'm having so much of fun. I mean, I'm so happy. If morning I got to know that no dialogue is there, I'm like, yay! And the day I have a dialogue, I will not talk to anyone. Whole day on set, you will see me with these two script papers and all. It was like such a hard task I went through.
And you made it. See how many fans you've got now
Yes,
here.
no, yes, no, I mean, this is all the God grace, I swear. Otherwise, I know when I shoot for any language film, which I don't know, is so tough because your brain actually start working in 3, 4 different direction. You have to
Yeah.
perform and perform so well that people think it's real, and then you have to do the lip sync also. And some people with me, if I know I'm speaking something wrong, my whole confidence will go down. I mean, there
Yeah.
there will be no confidence on my face. You see that I'm nervous. If I know that this word I said wrong. So just imagine, and then in this way I shot bilingual films also, like Tamil and Telugu and God
Yes.
knows what.
Hindi
So
also,
yes,
yeah. See Hindi,
Hindi is
but Telugu, how do you
Hindi is
manage
my
Hindi?
mother
Telugu.
tongue. Hindi is my mother tongue,
Okay.
so Hindi is fine. No, but Telugu is okay, easy, but still, I mean, you have to learn Telugu, right? You have to give the lip sync. So many words we don't speak. So
Yes.
it was a like roller coaster
I
for me
can
for
see it.
sure.
I can see it in your face now. How tough it was. Any
No,
Tamil
Baba.
word or any.
I only know eppadi irkeenga nalla irke. Like how we when any foreigner comes to India, so we ask them, do you know Hindi? And they always
Yeah.
reply, toda toda. So this is my
Toda,
toda
toda.
toda.
I know it sounds any good Hindi, you know Hindi, yeah, toda, toda.
I
I know only
know.
toda, toda in Hindi. And
So this is eppadi irkeenga is my toda toda.
okay, the next question is how to impress Priya? It is not about a boy or girl, but people having these qualities, I like them a lot. So, what qualities it is? How can we impress Priya? So, this question will be more
Yeah,
useful for
how
boys, I guess.
how impressed me? I don't know.
Yes.
I don't know. I never actually thought about it. Seriously, I mean, if suppose you can like anything about anybody. So it's
Hmm.
not like that, I say, okay, fine, I like these kind of people, and suddenly that kind of person come in front of me and I will get
Chance,
impressed.
oh,
It's
yeah.
not like that. It's not like that. It's just that I think it's more about the vibes you get from anybody. Sometimes you just meet
Okay.
somebody and you feel, okay, fine, you feel good, right? So all the people
Yes.
who actually don't, give their negativity to me, I'm fine with them. But I don't like people who keep cribbing all the time, and they try to suck your positive energy and give you with lots of negative stuff. I try to stay away from them. So if you want to
Okay.
impress me, just be full of
Be
positive
ourselves.
vibes. That's it. Yeah.
Wow, that's great. And who was the one celebrity crush you have ever got in life?
I think I was so much in awe of Ajit sir when I was shooting for Egan. And
Okay.
this whole thing started, uh, like I had no idea who is he at all when I signed the film. Nobody told me anything. They just told me big star, how big a star. I had no idea. So from being a stranger to shoot a film with him, admire him, being in awe of him, and then when come out of Egan set, take something, some beautiful memory, knowing a beautiful person for long life. So this was a whole journey in just one film. Now, if you can call it a crush, so you can say it, I don't mind.
Okay, that's so cool. And what is your favorite like dream role? This role I have to do it in my lifetime, or what is your bucket list? Free bucket list.
So I really want to travel as much as I can, and
Okay.
I want to have a house in some hilly area, some Himachal
Okay.
Pradesh or something like that. I want to have that farmhouse where I can do the farming and stuff and all. And what else? And I want to earn that much where I can, spend my life with my kind of luxuries, which I think are luxurious thing for me. Very simple life, very simple bucket list, not much doda dhupi and all, because this COVID, this
What is
corona
Doda Soapy
actually taught
now?
you.
I didn't understand.
Okay, doda dhupi. Okay, doda dhupi is like, matlab, not running about the things all the time,
Okay.
24 hours, because this COVID actually told me and taught me, I mean, to everyone, I believe, that the life is so fragile. You have no idea what is going to happen tomorrow. So before
Wow.
Corona, my wish list was something else. And now, after 3 months, it's something
It is
else
totally different.
completely.
Yeah.
It's completely different because you never know till tomorrow I'm alive or not. I really don't know. Nobody knows. People are dying just like that. Some people because
Yes.
of disease, and some because of depression, and some because of different diseases. So you don't know how much time you have. So I have
Yes.
sorted my priorities in that way.
Okay. So when you talk about depression, I would like to ask about Sushant Singh Rajput. We lost him recently. And any few words about him and how much do you like him? Few words about Sushant Singh Rajput.
I mean, I don't know what to say exactly because nobody knows the real picture behind the whole
Yeah.
thing. But what I
Yes.
want to say here, every demise, this kind of demise or any demise, I mean, this depression and the suicide, this should never happen. But we are no one to judge anyone here. We are no one
Of
to
course.
comment on anyone here because you don't know what they were going through. And there
Yes.
are so many, there are like thousand stories on online, which is,
Yes.
like waving,
Rumors
and you
and
don't
all.
know, everything. You don't know what is true. You don't know. So you just can't take one stand. But it's in whatever way, maybe it's suicide or it's not suicide or whatever it is, but it's always pretty heartbreaking to see someone go like this.
Yes.
So this is all I want to say because I really don't want to say what everyone is saying because I think once a soul
Okay.
choose to go, we should be just bow down and should show our respect.
Nice. And I saw this Queen film in Bollywood, Kangana Ranaut. I saw that
Hmm.
film and I wanted you to do that film in Tamil. I'm
Which
carving
one?
like anything because that Queen character, Queen movie.
Yes, yes, I got so
I
many calls for this from Chennai itself.
yeah,
Pia, if they make in Tamil, they should cast you, or if in
yes,
any
I
language or
very badly
something.
want you to see in that film. I mean,
I
like
know.
whenever I see Kangana Ranaut, I want you to do that film in Tamil. So have you ever thought that way?
Of course, why
If
not? I mean, Queen is my favorite film. I mean, if somebody asks me this question, any recent film, I mean, whatever came,
yeah,
and you think that you can do that role, I say I
yeah,
always take Queen's name. And
Queen.
the moreover, the thing is, it's not about the film, the character of Kangna. People who knows me since the starting, they know that I have that kind of journey with me. Like
Yes.
I remember when I came to Bombay or I did my first film in South. I had no, I mean, I was such a bad in English. I never used to speak English because that was not in UP and Itawa. I was never speaking in English. Suddenly, when I did
Mm.
my South film, I thought, okay, fine, these guys, they don't know Hindi, I don't know English, I don't know Tamil. How are we going to do the interview thing? And that's how I started working on it. So the whole journey, I mean, so many people, some good journalists from Chennai, they called me that Pia, when we saw the Queen, we actually thought of you. And I took it
Yeah,
like,
even me,
it's such a,
actually, I saw
I
it
know, I
twice,
take
and
it,
every
I take
time
it, I take it like a beautiful compliment, seriously. And I like Kangna. I mean, I admire her. So in both ways, a win-win situation.
and please do more Tamil films. It is a request as a fan, not as an interviewer or anything. It is a request as a fan. Please do more
See,
Tamil films. We're
I
waiting
will.
to see you
So
on
I tell you
screens and
something.
celebrate you like anything.
No, but I tell you something. I would love to do Tamil films or any language film, any South film or something. Why I stopped doing it because People in the Tamil directors, especially because I have done more films in Tamil, they don't want to do experiment. You cannot
Okay.
make me every film with those curly hair and doing ha ha hoo hee, right? You should use my talent.
Tell me.
So, and I want to do the hardcore commercial film. I'm done with all content driven film. I
Yes.
am not running behind any award or something. I don't want people to give me a trophy and say, oh, what a wonderful actor. I don't want that. I just want the commercial film where the audience come in theater and watch the film. So because my last film, for whatever reason, I'm not blaming anyone, but audience never got to know that
Yes.
this kind of film came, right? So I don't want to be part of those kind of film. I want to be part of a commercial film.
I'll write a script
Or
for you as a fan.
please,
Yeah.
please do that.
That
Please do that.
other film like Kangana Ranaut and Queen, I'll write a script for you.
Please do that and make me dance in that
You
film.
give me a call. Sure, promise. You'll give me a call sheet just to listen to the story
Definitely.
first.
Please,
Yeah,
please,
this is
anytime.
recorded. This is recorded. When you say no, I'll give this recording to you.
Please do that. Please do that.
Sure.
But I really need
Then-
a dance. I need a dance number in that film. Just remember that.
Sure. Anything for you, dear. Anything. And what would you like to tell me? Yeah. So your future projects, ma'am. We would like to know about your future projects. On what screens, what languages we can see you.
I think, and I'm hoping because before this COVID-19, I was talking about one Hindi film,
Yep.
and then this COVID happened, and then everything got stuck, everything got stopped actually completely. Now again we started. So I hope before this 2020 ends, I can go on floor with a film, with a proper
Wow.
like Hindi film.
Because many of them are commenting, many of them are looking at you. What do you wish to tell to them, to the Tamil audience?
Like, first of all, I'm really so thankful that, I mean, I haven't done any film since last 2 years, but still people they remember me and they still like me. Otherwise, it's a saying, if you're not working, people they forget. There are new people always. They move on. But this is not the case with me. And I still get lots of support from the South people. And I'm so, so thankful for that. And apart from this whole situation, whatever we are going through, like this too will pass. We will come back for life will come back on normal track, and everything will pass. We just have to be little positive, little patience, be nice to each other, kind each other, and take care of ourselves. That's it.
And yes, for now, this interview is going to get over, but I'll come back with a very good script and you'll have to listen it, yeah?
Please, yes, just record this. Yes.
Yes, thank you so much once again, Priya. That was a lovely interview session with you. And all
Thank
the
you so
very best
much.
for the upcoming sessions.
Thank
What
you
else
so
you have
much.
to say
Thank
to
you.
the audience or to me? Anything? Lastly, the last words of the interview?
No, I literally enjoyed this interview. It was a nice conversation, and
Thank you.
thank you so much. And I hope so, I really hope so that when I sign any good film in Tamil again, we'll do this beautiful session.
We are hoping so. Thank you so much,
Thank
baby.
you so
Thank
much.
you. Stay
Yeah,
home and stay
yeah.
safe.
You too.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.